I'm Chef Mike Moses and welcome to my channel. Well, here we are in the garden again, still waiting for delivery of soil. I've got mulch and I've got soil coming so we can get the garden beds finished. You may notice that the greenhouse has moved. And we've moved the greenhouse the other day. I didn't video it because it was a comedy of it was just a comedy. Put the new plastic on it this year. I've got the door and the back end and the fence all around it. Good morning. Today is a very exciting day. Today is the day that we get our garden soil, and it's on its way, about 14 yards. So something has arrived, something very, very, very important. as you can see, I've got 14 yards of garden soil, premium garden soil. It's about an 80-20 mix, so 80% compost, 20% dirt, or soil, or whatever you want to call it. And my job now is to get it moved from here at the end of my driveway down to the garden. It's time to get planting and time to get things ready. Also time to do some cooking, I believe. So I'm going to do that in my next video. Prepare a dish, try to figure out what I'm going to cook. But in these times, I hope you're being safe, practicing social distancing, of course, and enjoying your property or enjoying the parks and stuff. So if you'd like to see more of these videos, just give me a thumbs up. We'll be checking back periodically in the garden to see how things are growing. Peas are coming up, the onions are happy, and of course my kale and my spinach is just starting to peek through the ground, so I should be able to harvest that shortly. For more information on this recipe and more, head over to my website, www.chefmikemoses.com. You'll find I have a blog running there with the recipes that you can print off. I hope you enjoy this. I'm here to help you cook better, shop smarter, and eat healthier.